Hi, my name is Valerie. Welcome to Central Coast Now. Today we're at the Arroyo Grande Strawberry Festival, and we're going to meet a few of the vendors, talk to a few of the people, and enjoy some great strawberries. Hi, so I'm here with Charlotte and Carrie of Serendipity here in Arroyo Grande, and they're going to tell us a little bit about their display and what they have.
Serendipity has a heavy emphasis on a lot of local craftspeople and also artistic things that are from this country. Here we have samples of homemade strawberry preserves. We have homemade strawberry pin cushions. We have a lot of local artists. You'll see some repurposed vintage tableware that's been stamped into plant markers and gift tags. Old Italian pottery with strawberries emblazoned on it. Anything that we thought could make a really neat statement for Strawberry Festival, but yet be local and fair trade. It's about bringing product together that makes people happy to buy.
Very good, very good. And how long have you been here in Arroyo Grande?
The store's been open for just about a month now.
Okay, so you're fairly new.
Yes.
Oh, so this is very perfect timing to be here for the Strawberry Festival.
Oh, yes.
Draws a huge crowd. And now, has the business moved at all, or is it just brand new?
It's a brand new venture.
Great. Okay, well, tell the viewers where they can come and check you out on your website and your phone number.
Okay, our phone number here is 481-5100, and we have Facebook at serendipityag.com.
Great.
Address is 148 Branch Street, that's Suite C. We're obviously in Arroyo Grande, the corner of Wesley and West Branch. Love to have people in. We're open 6 days a week, closed Tuesday. Open at 10, close at 6, and dogs are welcome, everyone.
Nice.
We love the dogs.
Very nice. We love the dogs. Okay, well, thank you, ladies. I appreciate it, and have a great day.
Thank
all
you
right.
so much. Enjoy the festival,
Thank
everyone.
you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye now.
Hi, so I'm here with John with The Pit, and he's going to tell you a little bit more about his business.
How you doing? We got The Pit, Martial Arts and Fitness. We do everything here from train 3 to 6-year-olds in martial arts and fitness to training world champion UFC fighters like Chuck Liddell and Corey McGee and Ramsey, and we got everything in between, from fitness classes to one of the most serious martial arts schools on the planet right now.
Wow, impressive. Now, are you from here locally?
I'm originally from Honolulu, Hawaii, but I've been here 20 years, and I've had The Pit for 20 years.
Where's The Pit located?
The Pit here is 1106 Grand Avenue. Then we got a pit in Utah, a pit in Vegas, and there's 33 affiliates around the country. So The Pit is growing, but here it's 1106 Grand Avenue.
Okay, great. So, what's your website address?
thepit.tv, like television.
Pit.tv. Okay, great. All right. Well, we appreciate your time. And is this your first time coming out to the Arroyo Grande Strawberry Festival?
No, it's our 3rd year, and we love it.
Good. So it's done really well for you, obviously.
We don't really make much off it, but we just like being out here with our people and hanging out, and it's a way to get out there.
Good. Very good exposure, right? Okay. Well, appreciate your time. Thank you, John.
Thanks.
All right.
Thank you.
The 8th Annual Paso Robles Olive Festival, presented by We Olive, Saturday, August 20th. Taste olive oils, olives, tapenades, marinades, salad dressings, and lots more. There will be wine, beer, and head-to-head chef competition, kids area, and more. The Olive Festival kicks off Friday night with the Olive Festival Mixer at Sculptero Winery, hosted by Mark DiCarlo from Fork on the Road. Get your tickets at the Main Street office. The free Olive Festival is Saturday, August 20th in the downtown Paso Robles City Park. For more info, call the Main Street office at 238-4103.
Hi, my name's Valerie. Welcome to Central Coast Now. Today we're at the Arroyo Grande Strawberry Festival, and we're going to meet a few of the vendors, talk to a few people, and of course, enjoy some strawberries. Come along and enjoy. Hi, so I'm here with Debbie at the Arroyo Grande Strawberry Festival, and she's going to tell us a little bit more about this beautiful art here that you see on display, along with where this originated from and where she's from. Hi, Debbie.
Hi.
Welcome.
Thank you.
So tell me a little bit about where you got started.
Okay. I started in kindergarten.
Wow, kindergarten, really?
Yes.
How did that happen?
Well, I had an incredible teacher, and we were doing a really fun project with our hands and paste and tissue paper, and I created this piece, and believe it or not, I have 3 hearts in that piece.
Really?
Yep.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, obviously it's a very uplifting type look, and that's pretty much what I see throughout the theme. Is that pretty much what you're going for?
Well, I think the heart is amazing, and no matter if you are Japanese, Chinese, Korean, Italian, Mexican, Spanish, whatever you are, you understand what the heart is. And for me, the heart is a symbol of the soul. Don't you think?
Absolutely.
I mean, isn't it all about love?
Absolutely.
When it all comes down to it, it's about you as a soul and your heart and what you put out there, right? So I'm just the messenger. I'm just trying to remind people to keep
You're
it
capturing
in the...
that, putting
Exactly.
it out there for everybody.
That's right.
That's great.
Yeah.
So tell me, is this your first time attending the Strawberry Festival?
Yeah, it is.
It is.
Yeah.
And how's it been for you so far?
It's been great. People really love it. Unfortunately, there aren't a lot of fine artists here, so I think being here is good, and I think painting in front of people, a lot of artists don't like to paint in front of people,
Yeah,
so
this is
I
so
really
great.
love to.
That's why you stood out to us. So this is great. So tell our viewers how they can get a hold of you, if you have a website that they can visit you on, and
Yeah.
where you're located.
Okay, it's really hard to remember my website, theheartartist.com. That's theheartartist.com.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
And where are you at?
Campbell, California.
Campbell, California. Okay, great. Well, I appreciate it. And again, you have beautiful art. So enjoy the rest of the festival.
And you have a beautiful soul.
Thank you. Thank you.
Coming through the earth, coming through my window. I think that I'm safe, I moved to this little country town. Taking seed landed in the ground. 6 months later, I ain't around. Straight up on the ground. My soul, green, coming through my window. Coming through the earth. Green, coming through my window. I think that I'm saving her. Saving her. Ron Bass on the saxophone.
are, Caroline and Valerie. We really enjoyed the day here at the Arroyo Grande Strawberry Festival,
Some
didn't
fun
we?
and some really good strawberries.
Definitely a great day. So thank you for tuning in to Central Coast Now. We'll see you soon.
I know in this little country town, simply see black and